Guangzhou Mingyue Packaging Machinery Company Limited is a professional machine factory in Guangzhou City, which is mainly engaged in the research and development, design, manufacture, and sale of packaging machines, pharmaceutical equipment line. The management model of our company is developed through quality, strive for survival through quality. Company specializes in the production of pharmaceutical equipment line and full automatic packaging machine, such as grinder machine, dryer, high-efficient mixing machine, table press machine, blister packaging machine, capsule filling machine, counting machine, tablet sachet packaging machine, candy packaging machine, and so on. Scope of business involves food, pharmaceutical, chemical, pesticide, hardware, toys, and other industries. Sporting strong can be adapted to the needs of different users. Our machine can be made according to client's demand, and the machines have obtained CE certification. OEM and ODM are also welcomed. The company is good faith-based, customer first, people-oriented, science and technology as the first principle, common development with customers. The implementation of product warranty for 1 year, lifelong service to provide staff training, technical advice, processing, packaging after-sale repair, and maintenance for customers. Long-term supply of equipment, spare parts, and other customer service project. User demand is our pursuit. We are committed to provide satisfactory customer service, quality of service for users. Welcome to inquiry and visit our factory.